Okay, if we had a trapeze artist climbing a ladder, what's happening to her potential? Well, potential energy is mass times gravity times height. The mass isn't changing, gravity isn't changing. So potential energy and height are very related. So the higher she goes, the more potential she'll have. So it's increasing. So kinetic energy is mass times velocity squared divided by 2. It says she's moving up at a constant velocity. So V isn't changing, mass isn't changing, 2 obviously doesn't change. So the kinetic energy should be constant. Okay, as a car goes down a roller coaster thing here, what is happening to its height? Well, potential energy is mass times gravity times height. We know the potential is related to the height. So if the height is decreasing, the potential energy is decreasing. Now, what is happening to the kinetic energy? Well, the potential energy is turning into kinetic energy. So as they go down the hill, the kinetic energy will be increasing.